Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 94, Part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Jishao and Wei Xingyu, two of them still outside of the house. It was late at night. The two of them still talking. Well, probably they want to discuss what will happen to the plants in the future. That's why right now, seeing you, she was really blushing while drinking. It's been a while since the two of them are been together, having time to each other's like this. Sometimes I feel that fate is amazing. Well, definitely she was right. It's really amazing. The two of them are finally together against all odds. And ever sad and happy that happened in the past. Finally, they're standing to each other. Although I often complain, well, Ji Xiao, she was really convinced to herself. She'd do a lot of complaints, especially if there's happen a trouble. But she always speaks everything, especially with Wei Xingyu. Wei Xingyu thinks, but in fact, I should be grateful for fate. Well, she must be right. Fate is the reason why the two of them met before. And fate is also the reason why they're standing together right now. Ji Xiao never gave up pursuing Wei Xingyu. Wei Xingyu right now, since she was really tired, asking Ji Xiao, I want to sleep for a while. Looking at her, she really looks drunk. Now, Ji Xiao said, now she's holding her, touching her head. Ji Xiao, she really wants to protect this girl. Well, she really loves her. Two of them said to themselves, thank you for the destiny for sending you back to me again. Now, they're really grateful. Finally, they've been together and everything seems to be fine. Well, let's really hope for this. That there's no trouble for the two of them. Finally, Ji Xiao, she was carrying Wei Xingyu. She moved closer to her. It seems that Xingyu is really sleepy. That's why Ji Xiao, she needs to carry her on. She's carrying her. She's walking on the pathway. You can go inside the house. Xingyu and Ji Xiao, they look really cute couple. Especially Ji Xiao, she really wants to protect Wei Xingyu. Since Wei Xingyu is really sleepy, she said to Ji Xiao, I want to sleep for a while. Now she looks really tired. Also, her face is flushy because of the drinks that they've been drinking on. Suddenly, Wei Xingyu said, you can accompany me. Well, right now, Wei Xingyu, she really trying to coax Ji Xiao. That's why she's acting like a baby. Well, for Ji Xiao right now, she looks really happy. Hearing these words came from Wei Xingyu. Of course, she is glad to accompany Wei Xingyu when she falls asleep in the room. Right now, Ji Xiao said to Wei Xingyu, it was good. Well, of course, she's really excited and can wait to look forward to it. But right now, she should really carry her inside the house safely. And that time, it was a midnight, and still, there's no one around the house. Only the two of them are still awake. Everyone in the house is still sleeping. Well, for her, Xiao is carefully holding Wei Xingyu inside the room to carry her to the bed. Now, looking at it, she really can carry Wei Xingyu. Well, she must be powerful and have so much strength to carry her from outside to inside the room. Finally, Ji Xiao, she put her on the bed. Now she's fixing the beddings so that Wei Xingyu can sleep soundly. For her, she was looking at her, and it's like just being fond of Wei Xingyu. Look at Wei Xingyu. She really sleeps quietly. Well, at least she was really calm. But for Jishao, she should really stay at her, checks on her, and also Isingyu is asking her to accompany her tonight. Jishao, she's caressing her face and said to herself, if only could be like this. Well, is she pertaining to everyday situation is like this? She's figuring herself together with Wei Xingyu in the future, holding each other in her dreams, seeing her, sleeping with her, taking of her, future, all of it. It was only Jisha wants to her. It's like right now, she was in trance, but she was thinking, is there really no way to stay with her for a long time? Well, it's really bothering her so much about what will happen in the future, so that for now, she is wishing she will be with Wei Xingyu longer and forever. It's like she was holding the book, now trying to decipher the book. What every possible way she need to do is to change the flat and so on. Xiao, when she remembered, when I first arrived in this world, I saved Wei Xingyu out of the small black house. Now, on her dreams, she's trying to decipher on what happened back then. That's why right now, but the change of the flat was not vanished. Well, she was clearly, when the flat drastically changed, there's something punishment or so on that will happen to her from trying to change the flat. So, it will be wise. However, he tried to change once his ending not only failed but also punished by vomiting flat. Well, she remembers before she trying to help Wansi, she really got punished. Right now, want to try to change the plot again. Well, maybe she will get punished again. He stopped Jin Nanfeng from seeing Wei Xingyu and was also punished in a car accident, and the flat forced them to meet at the school. Well, she was right. She clearly remember what happened. On that day, she got punished on the car accident. But now, Wei Xingyu and Jin Nanfeng is not yet together. Well, if she's trying to change the plot again, maybe she will get punished severely. That's why right now, she is taking care more carefully. But on her mind, well, is she thinking something again about changing the plot, also outsmarting the program? Well, it seems that plan may be doable. Said to herself, well, if she's trying to change her plot, maybe there's a difference to try to change the plot directly on herself. There's no punishment again. Efficiently change the plot on herself. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!